In this video, I'll show you how to add money to your Wise account. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Go to wise.com and sign in with your credentials to access your account. I will leave a link to Wise in the description down below. Step 2. Navigate to add money. On your dashboard, click the Add Money or Top Up button. Step 3. Choose currency and amount. Select the currency you want to add and enter the amount. Step 4. Select payment method. Choose a payment method such as bank transfer, debit card or credit cards. Step 5. Confirm and complete payment. Review the details and confirm the deposit. Follow payment prompts as required. And that's how you add funds to your Wise account. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I will help you out.